So, good day. My name is Edelbert Bernabe Sanpil. My topic is talks about application of search warrant under Republic Act 9165 in the Philippines. So, uh, to apply search warrant under Republic Act 9165, law enforcement officer must establish applicable cause that drug-related offense has been committed. The application is made in the in written of under oath to a judge. So ang search warrant ay kay ang pagpangita sa usa ka suspect. So pagpangita sa usa ka suspect, naghimo ang judge o naghimo ang judge og kanang search warrant. Kay kung di magbuhat ang judge og search warrant, so ang suspect dili siya makasuhan tungod kay wala man siya search warrant nga ipakita sa iya. So